This is ESP Class Podcast.
You know the grammar. You know the words.
Yeah, I really do.
But someone speaks to you and you freeze.
Every single time.
Here's the real reason, and it's not your English. Title card, short intro sting. Welcome back to the ESP Class Podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Albert.
Albert, be honest, how many English words do you know?
I don't know. Thousands? I study every day.
Thousands. And your grammar?
My grammar is actually good. I know the rules.
So then, what happens when a stranger asks you a simple question?
My mind goes blank. Empty, like all those words disappear.
And how does that make you feel?
Embarrassed. I want to speak, but nothing comes out. So I just smile and stay quiet.
And later?
Later, in my head, I know exactly what I should have said. Perfect sentences, but it's too late.
Exactly. So the words are there, but something blocks them in the moment. What do you think that is?
Fear?
Fear. Not your English, your fear. Let me show you what fear does. When you feel scared, your brain thinks there is danger.
But talking is not dangerous.
Your brain doesn't know that. It feels the same fear as running from a lion.
So my brain sees English like a lion?
A very polite lion, but yes. And when your brain is scared, it stops thinking clearly. That's why the words disappear.
So the words are not gone. They're just locked.
Locked. And here's the interesting part. Have you ever spoken English easily with a close friend?
Yes, with my friend Sam, I talk fast. I don't even think.
Making the point. Why? Same brain, same words.
Because I'm not afraid with him. I'm relaxed.
Exactly. No fear, no lock. Today, we take the key back. Playfully excited. Let's prove it. Let's see if it works with actions, too.
Suspiciously nervous.
I don't like that smile. Mischievously explaining. I'm going to do some actions. Describe them immediately, in English. No thinking first.
Uncertain but willing. Okay, I think.
Silently demonstrating. Tap the table.
Responding quickly. You tapped the table.
Continuing the experiment. Picks up the coffee cup.
Immediately reacting. You picked up my coffee.
Pretending innocently. Pretends to drink it.
Suddenly alarmed. Hey, you're drinking my coffee.
Reassuring him quickly. I'm not actually drinking it.
Defensively protesting. You almost did.
Playfully keeping it going. Fixes her hair slowly.
Reacting fast. You're fixing your hair.
Looking away suddenly.
Quickly, you're looking at the window.
Grabbing her phone, picks up the phone and pretends to call someone.
Immediately. Now you're calling someone.
Pointing out the success, and notice how fast that English came out.
Seriously defending his reaction. Because I cared about the coffee.
Laughing, triumphant. Exactly. You didn't think about grammar. You didn't translate. You just spoke.
Pausing, surprised at himself. I did. 5 sentences, no pauses.
Gently making the point, because for a few seconds you forgot to be afraid. You just reacted to what you saw.
Thoughtfully. So when I stop being scared, the English is already there.
Was always there. So how do we do this on purpose? 3 small habits. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1, speak before you're ready. Don't wait for the perfect sentence.
But what if it's wrong?
Wrong and spoken is better than perfect and silent. Say it with me.
Wrong and spoken is better than perfect and silent.
Good. Now try it. Tell me about your morning. Fast. Don't make it perfect.
I wake up late. I drink coffee fast. I run to the bus.
Perfect. Small mistakes, but you spoke. That's the win. Number 2, care about the message, not the grammar, like you cared about the coffee.
Focus on what I want to say, not how perfectly I say it.
Right. If a stranger is lost and needs help, do they care about your grammar?
No, they just want the directions.
Exactly. And number 3, practice fear in small doses. Say 1 sentence to 1 person today. Just 1.
1 sentence. That feels possible.
Maybe order your coffee in English or say good morning to a neighbor. Small fear, small win.
And tomorrow, a little more.
Every day it gets easier. That's how confidence grows. Let's practice. Pretend I'm a stranger at a bus stop. I speak first. Just react. Don't overthink.
Okay, don't make it hard.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Very sunny.
Are you waiting for the number 10 bus?
No, the number 5. It's a little late today.
Oh, the 5 is always late. Where are you heading?
To my office downtown. And you?
Just to the market. Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, every morning. It's usually crowded.
Well, I hope you get a seat today.
Thank you. I hope so too.
Breaking characters, smiling. See that? A full conversation. No fear, no blank mind.
Because I stopped thinking about being perfect. I just talked.
Exactly. So remember, your English is not the problem. Your fear is, and fear you can train.
Speak before you're ready, care about the message, and take one small step today.
Try it right now. Type one sentence in the comments. In English, don't check it twice, just write it.
I'll read them. Wrong and spoken, remember?
And tomorrow, we go one step further. What do you actually say when you meet someone new and your mind freezes?
My favorite nightmare.
We'll fix that nightmare tomorrow. So subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.